Imagine the ultimate McLaren. Now, crank up the exclusivity, inject some motorsport history, and lock it away so only one country on Earth can touch it. That's exactly what McLaren just did with the 750S JC96, a machine so rare, so outrageous, and so dripping in racing pedigree that you can only buy it in Japan. The standard McLaren 750S is already a beast. It's the lightest, most powerful series production car McLaren has ever unleashed, blending track-borne savagery with everyday usability. But the JC96, that's on another level. McLaren pulled out the stops to honor the legendary F1 GTR that conquered Japan's All-Japan Grand Touring Car Championship back in 1996. And they're only building 61 of them, matching the race-winning car's number. This isn't just a badge and a paint job. The JC96 gets all new Delta 15-spoke forged wheels, a race-inspired high downforce kit, and aerodynamics that pump out 10% more grip to the tarmac. The exhaust spits fire through a titanium finisher, while the brake calipers glisten in F1 gold with red McLaren branding. And the paint? It's wild. Inspired by the tiger stripe rocket pink and tarmac gray liveries of the old-school F1 GTR, with only 4 cars receiving a hand-painted tribute livery across the entire body. That's rolling artwork. Step inside, and it's pure motorsport theater. Alcantara everywhere, 3 different interior themes, gold-finished pedals, and plaques that remind you this isn't just a car, it's a piece of history. If that's not enough, McLaren Special Operations will let you go nuts with bespoke paint, carbon fiber accents, painted keys, or even tiger stripes inside your cabin. And under the hood? Don't worry, McLaren didn't mess with perfection. The same 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pumps out 740 horsepower, made it to a carbon fiber monocage chassis and McLaren's razor-sharp proactive chassis control 3 suspension. It's balance, precision, and violence all rolled into one. Here's the catch. You can want it, you can dream about it, but unless you're in Japan, you can't have it. The McLaren 750S JC96 is locked away, a forbidden fruit for the rest of the world, and an instant legend for those lucky 61 owners. So is this the most exclusive McLaren ever built? Or is it just a taste of what's coming next?